Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm having a really crappy mental health kind of like last 24 hours. What the heck? Anyways, as you may or may not know, I have not done anything to my hair since March. It's now November. That's 8 months, I think, 8 months, which is rare for me. I usually love to change my hair up all the time, and I don't hate it right now. I like the ombre. I like that my natural color's growing in, and I like the length, but it is getting a little hard to manage because I have such wavy, thick hair. I'm getting like knots back here. I decided like a simple and refreshing way to kind of give me some change would be to lighten the ends, make the ombre more dramatic, and get me some lighter blonde down here. I'm gonna go grab a box of bleach. Go ahead, judge me. I know the stigma around box dye. I'm just gonna go grab the bleach and play with my ends, and I am going to trim them as well by myself because I'm a psychopath. I'm just gonna do a mini hair transformation. I just wanna feel a little refreshed. Here is my before. And if you wanna see the transformation, then stay tuned. Alright, so they did not have the L'Oreal Ferrera Platinum Blonde dye or bleach that I wanted. I was like really pissed because they had all the L'Oreal Ferrera colors, and then the Platinum Blonde spot was just empty. So I had to settle for something else, which was really hard for me to do. I actually almost got a red, I almost got a black, but I just decided I would stick with the plan and try this blonde, which is also L'Oreal. So I actually just now realized that this one's L'Oreal too. I'm really bad at reading things before I dye them. I think it's really necessary that I chop some of my hair off right now. Don't be like me. Can't believe I'm actually about to do this. I just want to make it even. Wait, these are like fabric scissors. Oh, the side is shorter, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna go flush this down my toilet before my kids see it. It is actually like really cute though. I might try to even it out. So this is mainly just for the ends of my hair. If I was going to do like, someone's walking by. I'm filming in the window. This is one of the more classic L'Oreal hair color kits, I think. I feel like I grew up seeing these, whereas the Ferrera is, you know, the newer, more modern ones. Okay, well, I really got some dark stuff in the back, like underneath the part. And I'm going to be leaving this in until like 3:40. I don't recommend going over the recommended time, which in this case is 25 minutes, but it's just something I personally have honestly always done. You guys, I literally feel like my hair got darker. Alright guys, it's a couple days later, and this is the final result. I know it's a little damp. I'll insert a clip of when it's fully dry.
You'll be my king. No, what you feel about Mom? Mom, I feel like Mom.
Yeah, so, but anyways, The L'Oreal Excellence Cream hair color really didn't do like much. It definitely did lighten the very ends, especially like right here. So it did a little bit, but it's very subtle. Overall, I'm okay with it, but I'm definitely probably gonna wanna do more to my hair, whether it's lightening it more or putting like a reddish or purple color in it. I don't know. I am happy with the cut that I did by myself. Yeah, I'm gonna give the L'Oreal Excellence Cream like probably like 2 or 3 stars. Definitely already have blonde hair if you're planning on using this. This is my new fresh hair. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and I hope you have a nice holiday with your family, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.